Today we are learning how to withdraw crypto from the KCEX exchange. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this referral code, which makes you eligible for new user rewards. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. To withdraw crypto from KCEX, we head to our wallet, withdraw. First, select the coin you want to withdraw. For this tutorial, we are withdrawing USDC. Next, we select the network we want to withdraw on. We are going to withdraw on Binance Smart Chain. We are withdrawing our USDC to Blofin, so let's head to our Blofin account so we can get the deposit address. On our Blofin account, we head to Assets, then we click on Deposit. We then select the coin we want to deposit, so in this case, it's USDC. Next, we have to select the same network that we chose on KCEX, so Binance Smart Chain. Make sure that the crypto and network are matching up, otherwise you may lose your funds in the withdrawal process. Lastly, we copy the deposit address and head back to KCEX, and we can paste the address in the withdrawal address section. Next, for withdrawal amount, we are withdrawing the full amount. We can see that the withdrawal is free, so we will be getting 50.2 in our Blofin account. We can submit the withdrawal, quickly review the details again, and submit. Now we need to verify via email verification and Google Authenticator. Copy and paste the 6-digit code from your email. And put in the Google Authenticator code from your phone. We have successfully submitted our withdrawal request. We'll pick the video back up when our funds have arrived in our Blofin account. In the deposit section on Blofin, we can see that the deposit was made at 15:51:45, so it took about a minute and a half for the full withdrawal process from KCEX. We use Blofin for this tutorial because they don't require KYC. If you want to follow this video step by step, I recommend you check out Blofin. When you click the link in the video description to sign up on Blofin, you'll receive 10% cash back on your trading fees, as well as additional bonuses. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.